Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review the PITAKA MagEZ Case Pro 3 for the iPhone 14 Pro. So this is the Pro version of cases we've already seen from PITAKA. Let's see what they offer over the standard ones. So packaging here is quite premium. It's recyclable cardboard packaging with a cardboard sleeve, and you can see embossed on the packaging, PITAKA, we care for our planet. The package is made of 100% biodegradable materials. So when you open this up, on the inside you have the case itself, and then there is a little bit of an instruction on how to put the case on. Oops. So the case itself is made of aramid fiber, and on the inside it has a nice little velvety finish material on the inside, and this is compatible with MagSafe chargers and accessories. We'll test that out in a moment. But first things first, we're going to have a look at this case once my iPhone 14 Pro is in the case. So I'm going to slip this in, and there we go. So it does click, it's very snug, it fits quite tightly. And let's start off with a quick tour of the case itself. So there's a nice little camera bump, teardrop shape here. It reminds me a bit of the pear-shaped Nokia, as in it's got two pointy bits at the end and then rounded corners on the other side. So nice little design touch there in my view. And it gives even a little bit of lift if you were to put your phone on its back on a surface. It gives a little bit of lift and protection to that camera module, which does protrude quite a lot on the iPhone 14 Pro. Now, perfectly flat, smooth aramid fiber back, and you see the PITAKA logo embossed in a glossy material at the bottom here. And then it follows the contour of the iPhone 14 Pro with a chamfered edge, and then it goes into flat sides with chamfered edge at the end, and there we are. So no cutouts at the top. On the right hand side we have a completely flat back and a button extension. This isn't a cutout where you get to the actual button. This is actually a button extension, and it works as expected. On the left hand side you have a cutout for the silent switch, which I usually leave always on silent, as well as a volume rocker. So what I'm going to do is try putting the volume up, no stickiness there, volume down, no stickiness there. This is performing beautifully. It's nice and well balanced in terms of you're not feeling you have to put extra pressure compared to when you have a case on. This is a really nice case in terms of the button feel, both for the power button and those two volume up and volume down in the rocker on the left hand side. So on the left hand side you have the cutout for that silent switch, volume rocker, and at the bottom we have cutouts for the speaker grill and your lightning port. And ironically, PITAKA have, for aesthetic reasons, made the iPhone 14 Pro case, in this case the MagEZ Case Pro 3, with symmetric cutouts at the bottom. But the iPhone 14 Pro, just like the 12 and others after it, has this asymmetric. It has more grills on the right compared to the left. But PITAKA have made its look a bit more symmetric than it would be. I would say that's a bit of a challenge to Apple. Fix your symmetry on your beautiful devices, especially if you're spending a certain amount of money on them. It's a good idea to do that. Anyway, cutouts are all as expected, work beautifully. The case overall feels really good. It does add a little bit of thickness to the device, but that's reassuring. It means that your corners, your sides are all well protected. And that's where the Pro in the MagEZ Case Pro 3 comes in for the iPhone 14 Pro case we're looking at the moment. So well done to PITAKA. Thank you to PITAKA for sending us this review device of the MagEZ Case Pro 3 for the iPhone 14 Pro. I will be using this during my travels over the next few days, Actually, over the next couple of weeks, I have 2 trips planned, one to Italy and one to the US. So I will be using this on that trip, and I have to say the overall feel is very positive. I can recommend this case. Obviously, it is quite a pricey case, depending on the market you're in, where you're purchasing one. But I'd say keep an eye on Black Friday deals for the PITAKA MagEZ Case Pro 3 for the iPhone 14 Pro and for other models. Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals. The Amazon often have vouchers and discounts, so keep an eye. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase this PITAKA MagEZ Case Pro 3 for the iPhone 14 Pro. If you do purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. Thank you in advance if you do so. And as usual, if you have any further questions about this case or any of our other content, please leave a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. But for now, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. Again, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.